because one shareholder holding 1000 shares fails to pay the first call of rupees 3 per share. 1000টা শ্বেয়াৰ লৈছে এজন শ্বেয়াৰহোল্ডাৰে আৰু তেখেতে 3 টকাকে দিয়া নাই, মানে সেই শ্বেয়াৰৰ ওপৰত 3 টকাকে দিবলৈ পাৰা নাই, যাৰ কাৰণে 3000 rupees, that means 1000 into 3 becomes calls in arrear. 4,20,000 পৰা 3000 rupees সেইটো কাৰণে মাইনাছ কৰি দিব লগা হৈছে to find out the paid up capital. Alright, and what is the unpaid capital or calls in arrear? So it is 1000 into 3. Alright, 3000. So now let's have a look at the next slide. Reserve capital. The reserve capital kaak koy? It is a part of the uncalled capital which can be called only in the event of its winding up. Okay, and some special resolution has to be passed for reserve capital. If a company is willing to keep a part of the capital as reserved capital, তাৰ মানে capitalৰ এটা অংশ যোনটো কোম্পানীয়ে কেতিয়া কল কৰিব, only in the event of its winding up, means when a company is in the verge of liquidation or the company is liquidating, right, the closing is it's in its closure, তেতিয়াহে কোম্পানীয়ে সেইটো capitalটো কল কৰিব, and that should be mentioned in this that should be actually there should be a special resolution passed for maintaining a reserve capital. So as the word suggests, reserve, you all must have heard and must be using it in your day-to-day lives, like those who have scooty, motorbike or car, those who are using. So তোমালোকে কোৱা নাই ৰিজাৰ্ভত তেল লাগি গ'ল, that means তাতোকে যদি কম হৈ যায় তেলটো, তাৰমানে কি I am in danger. Alright, I may be in scarcity. So why is it required? Reserve capital is required so that it gives some kind of security, assurance to the creditor. Now who are the creditors? They are the person who will be lending to the company. It is on creditor, they would actually want to know about the capital structure of the company, and if there is some amount of capital kept as reserved by the company, so it gives the creditor some kind of confidence that the company will be able to pay them their money back. Alright, so it cannot be called up if a company is keeping a part of its share capital as reserve capital. It cannot be called up during the existence of the company. So this is the reserve capital. So we'll have a look at an example to understand it better. If a company registered with capital of rupees 10 lakhs divided into shares of rupees 10 each, and the company issues 70,000 shares of rupees 10 each, public subscribe for 70,000 share, and rupees 2 is reserve capital. That means out of those rupees 10, the value of each share, the company is keeping rupees 2 as its reserve capital. Hey, দুটকাটো কিতিয়া company call কৰিব? It means that the company will not be calling up those rupees 2 during its lifetime, that means during its existence. In the event of winding up only, the company will ask for that rupees 2. Alright, so reserve capital is equals to rupees 1,40,000, that is 70,000 into rupees 2. So I hope you all have understood. So with this we have come to the end of our slide. So thank you all of you. If you have any doubt, you can write your doubts in the comments